Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mustafa. Today I'm going to teach you how you can use objects or dictionaries in Python. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So before I show you how you can use dictionaries in Python, I'd highly recommend going to patreon.com/common code and support my channel. By supporting me, I'll continue creating more content and awesome content. By the way, if you join Patreon, you will have access to many courses and exclusive content. So let's get started. Now I have created here a file called python.py, and obviously this is a Python file. In Python, in order to create an object, we actually in Python, before I create an object, in Python we call objects, we call them dictionaries. So in Python it's a little different than other programming languages. In Python we call them dictionaries. So to create a dictionary in Python, all you need to do is that you need to give a name to your dictionary. For example, user, and then equals to, and then curly braces, and then inside that inside these two curly braces we use the key value pair notation. So we have a key and a value, its value, and then comma, another key and its value. So for example, a user might have a name, and also a user might have a website and other things. So a name, for example, my name, and a website here, let me type my website. So my website, commoncode.com. And now we have a dictionary. This is called a dictionary, and you can print it. Let me print this dictionary to show you how it's going to look like. User, and then if I save and run my script, let me run my script. As you can see, I have here this dictionary being displayed in my terminal. So this is how you can create a dictionary. But why dictionaries are important? Well, dictionaries are core in any programming language. In any programming language, at some point you would have to use dictionaries, because as you can see, dictionaries or objects will let you group variables together. So instead of having name as a variable, for example name, and instead of creating another variable for the website here, common code, you don't have to create a separate variable for each value in your dictionary. All you need to do is that you need to create a dictionary or object and group together all of the elements or all of the variables that belong to one user. And imagine that you have, let's say, 100 users or 1,000 users. It would be just a mess to create a variable for each single element in your object separately. So you would have to create like 2,000 actually. You would have to create 2,000 variables, because you would have to create a name and website for each single user. So for user number 1, you would have to create a name for user and a website. For user number 2, you would have to create another name, and also another website. And for user number 3, you would have to create another name number 3, etc. And it's going to take you forever to do this. Therefore, we use dictionaries. So dictionaries are awesome, and they are going to save you a lot of time. So that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions about this tutorial or previous tutorials, leave your questions in the comment section below. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.